Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss our sixth chapter, our natural resources, forest and wildlife. So, what are natural resources? Climate, weather and seasons are natural occurrences. Natural resources are the useful and valuable things that are given to us by nature.
Why we need these resources?
We need these resources for our survival and to fulfill our everyday needs. Raju, name some natural resources.
Air, water, sunlight, plants, etc.
Next, types of natural resources. First one, renewable, and second one, non-renewable. The natural resources such as air, water and sunlight that are available in plenty and can be replenished naturally are called renewable or inhospitable resources. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are natural resources that exist in fixed amounts and can be used up. For example, coal, petroleum formed from the remains of plants over hundreds of millions of years. We are using them far faster than they could ever be replaced. Forest resources. A forest is a large area of land that is covered with trees. It occupies one third of the Earth's land area. The uses of forest. Raju, do you know why we should plant trees? Trees use carbon dioxide among other things to make their food and give out oxygen that we breathe. So, if we plant trees, they give out oxygen that we can breathe.
Sir, this is very interesting. I want to know more about forest.
Then forests provide us fruits and herbs. Trees provide us wood like timber. Using the timber and other forest trees, we can make paper, furniture, etc. Then forests give shelter to birds and animals and help in maintaining the water cycle and prevent soil erosion. Lastly, forests keep the environment cool and offer us recreational activities such as camping, cycling and bird watching. Forests in India. Forests in India can be divided into five main categories. First one, evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn and scrub forest, mountain forest, and last, mangrove forest.
Sir, what are the features of evergreen forest?
The specialty of evergreen forests are the trees in evergreen forests remain green throughout the year and there will be heavy rainfall.
Sir, then where are evergreen forests found?
Evergreen forests are found in Western Ghats, northeastern region and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Examples are rosewood, mahogany and ebony. Then deciduous forest. The main feature of deciduous forest is that They shed leaves once a year. They are found in Himalayan foothills, Deccan Plateau, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha. Examples are teak, sal, mahua, bamboo and sandalwood.
Sir, then what about thorny and scrub forest, mountain forest, and mangrove forest?
Thorny and scrub forest. They are found in less rainfall areas like deserts in Rajasthan. Here, trees are short and thorny. Examples: kikar, babul, and date palm. Mountain forest. These forests are located in high altitude areas like Himalayas and Nilagiri hills. Examples: pine, cedar, and deodar. Last one, mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are found in the deltas of Godavari, Krishna, and Mahanadi rivers. These forests are dense and also called tidal forest. West Bengal has the biggest stretch of mangrove forest known as the Sundarbans. The name Sundarbans come from the Sundari trees that grow here. Deforestation. Deforestation is the removing or clearing of forests mostly for agricultural or urban use. People cut trees for their use or agricultural or urban use. This results in the loss of habitat for many animals and birds. It also leads to soil erosion, floods, and landslides. So, we do not cut trees. If we cut trees, deforestation also brings down the level of oxygen in the air.
Sir, then what should we do to solve this problem?
We should conserve our forest. Because of this deforestation, animals and birds lost their homes. So we should not cut trees. To conserve forest, our government made laws for the conservation of trees. That is Vana Mahotsav. Vana Mahotsav is celebrated every year to plant more trees. This festival is celebrating because of not to cut trees and plant more trees. Earlier in 1970, Chipko movement was an organized effort to check deforestation. People protected trees by clinging to the trees and not allowing them to be cut down. Wildlife resources. Forests in India are home to many animals, including the Royal Bengal tiger, wolves, foxes, bears, crocodiles, monkeys, and snakes. However, animals are being hunted and killed by human beings.
Sir, why they are killed by human beings?
They killed animals for food, fun, and illegal trade in animal fur, skin, horns, and tusks. So, due to these activities, hunting has been banned by the government of India because many animals are in the list of endangered species. For example, the Royal Bengal tiger, the Great Indian bustard, and the Asiatic lion are some of the endangered animals of India. To protect the forests and wildlife of our country, our Indian government set up several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries.
Sir, what is called a life sanctuary?
A wildlife sanctuary is an area for the protection and conservation of wild animals. Some of the popular national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are Periyar National Park in Kerala, Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal, Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan, Gir National Park in Gujarat, Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan, and Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary in Jammu and Kashmir. I hope you understand. Read the chapter 2 or 3 times. Thank you.